Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to teach you guys how to increase your RAM on your PC using your flash drive. But first, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so that you can be notified for my new videos. Please guys, do that for me, please. So let's move on. You plug in your USB flash drive, which you want to use for which you want to use as a RAM. I'm plugging in my own, so I'm plugging in. Wait for some second. Okay, as you can see, this is my flash drive. What you're going to do now is format it. You format it. Make sure nothing is on it. I want to make sure nothing is on it. You click on right, but move to properties. Waiting. Okay, there is properties. You move to ready boost. You click over here, use this device. You won't bring this down. You need to move it upwards. Yes, you need to move it. So you click on OK. As you can see, at first nothing was in it. Now it has been filled in. With this. I don't know. It has been filled in. So this won't actually show up at your computer properties, but it will help you. It's going to help you. It will help you in your properties. You see, it's still 1 gigabyte. One is 1 gigabyte, but it's going to help you with your processes. So if you want to remove your USB flash drive, you don't need to just remove it just like that. You need to go to the USB flash drive, move to properties again. You move to ready boost, and you're going to click at do not use this device. After that, you click on OK. Then you are ready to remove your USB flash drive. You're ready to remove it. So that's all guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Please guys, please subscribe to my channel. Bye. God bless you all.